When it comes to many things in life, I prefer the finest. That's why I enjoy Jackson Hole Stillworks Vodka. Just like Havasu Creek here. It's crisp, clean, and velvety.
Highwater Vodka.
Howdy folks, here we are waking up at Ledges Camp and we're about to pack our stuff up and take a short trip to Havasu Creek, the famous and legendary. Crew members prepare for the day's activities by brushing their teeth and packing their boats.
We don't brush our teeth at night. Should we sit on your one? Or
yeah. Typical scene here in the Grand Canyon. The campers are putting away their dry bags, strapping everything onto the boat.
Like the camp dance.
Rigged to ship.
Like the spats that they had.
Shipping rig today.
We out here.
What are you up to, Nikki?
Just like helping Sandy rig her boat. What are you up to, Rico?
Just helping Scotty.
took her right off her guard.
Hey, Rico.
Hey.
2-week sessions.
A lot of
Howdy.
I love a camera in my face in the morning. Closer. There, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, we're good. I've said enough.
Howdy.
Today we're gonna float down this here scenic green river down this canyon to a place called Havasu.
Hey, Scotty.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. You having a good time?
Yeah, pretty good time, I'd say.
Gonna go see some turquoise water here at the Havasu. See if we can't have a good time.
Good times happening ahead.
What?
Go back, go back! Sandy's gonna bump us out.
Typical scene here in the Grand Canyon. We're gonna eddy out here. Oh, bump.
I told him I was fucking working on it, Scotty.
Here we are at the mouth of Havasu Creek. You can see the difference in the two colored waters. The drainage basin for Havasu Creek is about 3,000 square miles. Starting out as a trickle of rainwater, the creek reaches Havasu Springs, where an underwater source feeds the creek. The mineral travertine is dissolved in the water and gives it that famous blue-green color. If you have Instagram, you'll recognize the iconic blue Havasu Falls. Or perhaps you've seen photos of Mooney Falls. The creek continues down Havasu Canyon until it reaches the Colorado River, becoming its second largest tributary.
And look how much space. I didn't remember there being so many anchors.
Pretty neat. Pretty neat right here. See this? There's fish in there.
Well, this is the mouth of the Havasu River. You can see these fish here. This is the bluehead sucker. It is endemic to the Intermountain Western U.S.
Caudistomys discopolis.
The bluehead sucker is the largest of all Arizona endemic suckers, reaching a length of over 11.8 inches. Typical scene here in the Grand Canyon.
This here is what they call tying up. It's when you take a rope and tie it to another rope, and then you can get off the boat, hopefully, and it stays there.
I just want you guys to see what it looks like here at the Havasu River. That's pretty nice. There's some blue water there. My friends are just hiking around up here, making for a good day.
We made it.
We made it. Another untold wonder.
So it's this way. We're all in this great stream of change, which we call life. We are the stream. If you imagine you're separate from it and you're being carried along by it as if you were a cork, that's a delusion. You're a wave of the stream itself. So get with it.
When I'm parched in the desert, I reach for the cool Highwater Vodka.
goes down great with friendship and laughter. Hello. Hello. Hey guys, what are we looking at?
Well, we got a tree frog.
There's a tree frog down there.
This is the canyon tree frog. It is native to the rocky plateau areas of the southern United States, with a range that reaches as far south as Mexico.
Hyla arenicolor.
The canyon tree frog grows up to 2.5 inches.
Ooh.
Their color varies considerably, but usually matches their native habitat to serve as camouflage.
Sandy, what do you think?
Yeah. Couldn't agree more.
Now what do we do?
Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the beauty of Havasu.
That's direct from the Supreme Leader himself.
The Supreme Leader is wise.
So when you don't cling to it, when you have no longer a hostile attitude to the world because you know the world is you, it is. I mean, let's take it from the point of view of biology. If I describe the behavior of a living organism, I cannot possibly describe that behavior without simultaneously describing the behavior of the environment. So that I discover that I don't describe organisms in environments, I describe a unified field of behavior called an organism environment.
This place is unreal. I'll show you right here behind me. There's some turquoise water cascading down. I think we're having a good time. I came here, I wanted to talk to you guys about being yourself.
It's really hard to keep my eyes open for this light.
This is so bright.
In the heat of the night, we could get lost.
Typical scene here in the Grand Canyon.